how to send a message on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can send a message on Turo. So to send a message on Turo is very simple. What do you do first? The first step is to open your website and then log in into the Turo account, either through your website or through your app. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page where you can see different features of this application, of this site. The next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon and then click on it. By clicking on it, you'll see some options like favorite, trips, inbox, profile accounts, become a host, etc. In order for you to send the message, just go to trips. And once you're on your trips page, wait for the page to load, okay? Yeah, so once you're on your trips page, the next step would be for you to locate the trip for which you want to send the message. All right, locate the trip on this particular page of yours. Ensure you locate the trip, and then once you found the trip that you would like to send the message, on the trips page or the trips details, you will see the option contact hosts or contact guests. So tap on that option and then you can now start a message trend. So then from there, type your message and then send your message. You can also attach photos or files to the messages if needed. And then in order for you to find the messages in further findings, maybe you are done chatting with the person or speaking to the person and then you want to find your messages, you'd go to the top right corner of the screen again and then click on inbox. In your inbox, all of the messages that you've sent in the past would be displayed in here. But in order for you to send the message, first of all, ensure you go to the top right corner, click on trips, locate the trip for which you want to send the message, okay? And then tap contact guest and send your message and you're good to go. So I hope this is clear. This is how you can send a message on Turo. Thank you for watching and have a sweet ride.